Hi, this is John with WTI. And I remember since I was a kid, going and ironing my clothes was always like a ritual for me. Like trying to go outside in my clothes to be nice looking as always is so important. And this is where this iron spray by Niagara just comes into place and just does the job for me. This no odor, but at the same time, it gives you with the premium feeling that your clothes are always gonna be looking nice and it's not going to be too stiff. It's like how it gives it like a smooth sensation, a smooth feeling that you had your iron with your clothes. It's not gonna give you added odors that sometimes when you use the materials like this, it will give it lemon or lavender. No, this guy stays the same, and it gives your clothes just this nice feeling like you always would like it. The spraying in here is just nice because it's gonna put it even into the whole clothes, and it's just a premium grade product. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.